Hi, today I'm part of my Galaxy S23 Ultra and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face to see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock option works here so fast and correct. We just unlock the device just less than in half of the second. This is really good result for the face unlock. I just want to try one more thing, just to wear the glasses and to unlock the device with the glasses, because I set up my face recognition without of them. So let's just try. 1, 2, 3. So as we can see, the face unlock also works with the glasses, so just you can try this unlock method. I suggested to do that, but be careful because the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.